To fix the error code 722 on a KitchenAid dishwasher, it's essential to understand what this code means. The heating element is not shutting off as it should. The common causes of this issue are a faulty control board or a defective heating element. To resolve the problem, start by resetting the control board, as it may be throwing false error codes. Ensure the dishwasher door is firmly closed. Then press the high temp scrub and energy saver dry buttons consecutively. In some models, these buttons may be labeled high temp and heated dry. Press each button 4 to 5 times. Then leave the dishwasher for 5 to 10 minutes to perform the reset. Complete the reset by pressing the cancel or drain button, which will initiate a 2-minute drain cycle. Allow the cycle to finish and check if the error code has been resolved. If resetting the control board doesn't fix the issue, it's likely that the heating element is defective and needs to be replaced. In this case, it's recommended to call a service engineer to replace the heating element, as this will fix the error code.